hazelnut shell. Hazelnut shell. Sorry, that one is walnut shell, crushed walnut shell. This is hazelnut shell. You can have a check. So this is the sample sent from a Turkey customer. They want to test it before buying the machine, so we all have one in-stock machine, so we are planning and testing the continuously carbonization furnace for the customer. So this is continuously feeding and continuously discharging. So this is the feeding conveyor and the main drum made of stainless steel. This is the heating area. The heating temperature maximum can reach over 700 centigrade. This is discharging. It's with a cooling outside, double layer. And the bottom chamber is for heating. After carbonized. Because we are testing, so not yet assembled with the water cooling, the cold water. You can have a check. This is, I'm not sure if it's hazelnut shell or walnut shell. So this size is suitable to feed into the furnace directly, or you can make it, the larger size is also acceptable. This was sprayed with the water to avoid the burn again. So it can be fully carbonized. Fully carbonized. So every time we finish the machine, we will test the machine before shipping, make sure everything is working good. So from this side this is the feeding, and this is the rotating drum with inner screws, and this is the outer shell with insulation layers above and also the below. So the preheating, we are using the LPG liquid gas bottle, but we can use also diesel. So the heating fuel slide from here and then to the ignition burners. This is the gas burners. So this burners only working at preheating period. After the carbonization starts, it will start producing the flammable gas very fast, like 15 minutes. And then the smoke coming out from here, and then after purification, the fan will bring the smoke out and then return to the furnace bottom chamber for burn. So this is the main burner of the synergize. The whole chamber will be with the heat, also to prevent the fire, to heating the drum directly, to protect the drum longer service lifespan. And you can check the ignition. The ignition is all electrical, controlled on the control cabinet. So this is diameter 1.5 and the length is the 11 meters. The capacity for normal charcoal for fuel is 1 ton per hour output. But for biochar, because we need operating at a higher temperature, the capacity may be only 600 to 800 kilogram per hour in average, because different capacity based on the raw material density. So this is the bigger size. We also have the smaller size. This is using for continuously 24 hours working and with a bigger capacity, with bigger yield. So you can check if your materials is smaller size, nutshell, sawdust, peanut shell, agriculture waste, wheat straw, corn straw, you can all use in this model. And if the moisture is huge, because this furnace requires the moisture below 15%, we have the rotary drum dryer to remove the extra moisture. And also the size is customized based on the original moisture. Contact him if you're interested to making the charcoal, biochar, and we have the whole production line machines and also the solutions. Provide the customization service, so you can directly contact him to get a solution, quotation, and price. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.